This image was acquired with the KODAK RVG6100 sensor. It's an image that was taken of an upper first molar that has had endodontic therapy and demonstrates an unresolved lesion at the end of the mesial buccal root. Conventional 2D radiography has limitations when it comes to endodontic therapy, especially in the maxillary posterior region. This image was acquired with the KODAK 9000 3D focused field CT system. It's a volumetric image which allows us to see the region of interest clearly in all three dimensions. In the upper right, we can see the volumetric representation of the area and the root canal morphology. If we rotate that volume, we can view the occlusal surface of the teeth. We can add a bit more opacity, and then we'll add the cut planes that correspond to the axial, upper left, coronal, lower left, and sagittal, lower right views. In the lower left coronal view, we can clearly see a fistula draining from the apical area into the sinus. If we scroll carefully through the coronal view, we can also see a fistula through the cortical plate of the buccal. Scrolling through the axial slices allows us to visualize the root canal morphology. Clicking with the mouse wheel on each root on the axial view allows us to visualize each root individually, unencumbered by superimpositions. Here we can see the distal buccal root in the lower right. Now we'll be looking at the palatal root in all three dimensions. At this point, we'll go to curved slicing, which gives us a panoramic representation of the area. Now we can view a cross-sectional analysis through each root. On the lower left, we can see our cut plane and our cross-sectional slice. Through both the mesial buccal and the distal buccal root, we can see partially unfilled canals. This particular case was treated successfully for second mesial buccal canal that was overlooked at the original treatment. That concludes our short presentation on the KODAK 9000 and the clinical application of endodontic treatment.